Hello everybody, good afternoon. I am Prasanna. Though I gave my brief introduction, but will give you professional one. Basically, I am a technocrat. I am electronics telecommunication graduate and management graduate, postgraduate also. I worked with many top companies in India and abroad. I was sustainable engineer with DOT also, way back in 1996. And then I worked with Reliance Communication till 2003. We were the part of team who launched Karlo Dunia Mukhi Mein, and I was operation and maintenance manager there. And then I joined Edison Technologies as project manager. Then I became senior project manager also. Working so much in corporate world, I thought let's do something for me. I started my own venture in 2010 in software development, because my last job was with Edison Technologies, which develops the broadband technology software, DSLAM software, modem software, and many things. We started, but we could not succeed much. Later on, I seen country developing in infrastructure and reality, and a lot of housing were coming up. So I see as an entrepreneur an opportunity and come to this. We were investing before as individual capacity, but since 2012 I am fully operational in real estate field. So we have a different model. We are not like conventional builders. We have the models. We have the model which is called development management consulting model. So why I am explaining is this. This is what the expertise we have, and the services that we will offer to you out of our this developmental model, because this is a unique phenomena that Alumni Connect and New India Capital are associating, and the model is that you have the members. I mean, you have the ability to raise the fund, and we are here to deliver everything else which is required to own a roof, like sir said. You want to own a roof, a house, a beautiful house, which is close to ethos and culture and environment like JNU. So we will provide you all the services, facilities, and we have abilities, we have engineers, we have architect, we have constructor, and entire project management ability that we have in our organization, and we will deliver the services. So this is what brief about professional capability of New India Capital. Our project management partner is Engineer Studio. They advises us how much cost will be, the minimum cost apartment will take to construct, minimum time, and they advise us on the quality, specifications, layout, and tendering process, cost control, everything. They are advising us, and we follow strictly their suggestions. This is how we operate. We are not like builders that you just buy a flat from us. We provide you the services. So that is what the services New India Capital is going to provide you. Of course, in addition to that, we are investors also. So we own, like you say, it's a wealth multiplier company. So we own the assets. We own the assets, and based on the requirement of our prospective clients, we use these assets to deliver the project. So the same way here, New India Capital has the land, JNU Alumni Connect have the member, and we will use this our land to convert into project, and then the housing project, and start constructing and deliver. This is the basic model of our functioning. Everything else we have explained in this process. One more thing I would say, that we have been associated with JNU since I think Science since 2014. This is the time frame. We started from a small park, and we are continuing our journey till today, and will continue further also. So what I see, when I see the news about JNU, I also associate myself with JNU like this. I feel it. It's nothing, this is kind of thought. When you sit with the JNU people, you realize what they think, how they want. So many times I have visited the JNU campus, I liked it, and we also have the separate project apart from Alumni Connect with the name Divine City, Samriddhi City, that we are executing at different sectors in Al Zone. So we take many inputs from or we are inspired from the JNU concept and implementing in our project also. Like library, like when I say JNU library is wonderful. So we are also incorporating in our project Children's Care Center and so many other facilities we will be providing. So this was a very informal talk. Let's speak about the documents which I have shared. So one you have this presentation. Everybody has this presentation? Okay. Then there is FAQ. You have FAQ?
We don't have the presentation.
See, quality, specification, size, and material you want us to use. This is, I have given you a standard apartment. Let's say somebody says that, okay, I want a modular kitchen or wardrobe. We can incorporate everything. We can make air-conditioned apartment also. It can work out. I'm saying in 2,000 rupees, this is what we can give.
Standard.
Standard. So we can work on that. And type of apartment also, this is what the 6 types, but if you have no takers for 2 bedroom, then we'll remove that also. We will
Is there any society in Dwarka where you already constructed flats where we can go and have a look? Do you have any?
We can share with you. There are 29 projects which have been delivered. We can share all over across India. Engineer Studio is our PMC. We construct, we deliver. We can see. See, nowadays, madam, understand the knowledge is so widespread and specialized people are available. Even we can engage Tata Construction or Sarup Palanji or L&T, but all depends on the cost of construction and quality. This is a very standard thing. Nowadays, the blocks, constructed blocks are coming. Everything available. Whatever past is, people don't have that much, facilities for the knowledge. Everything is available. You can change the way you want. Like in affordable segment, they are bringing the prefabricated blocks and just putting out at the side for faster delivery.
That much better. Less pollution.
Yeah. So this is happening. So this is about the price, and then next slide. I'll try to explain the FAR calculation.
What is FAR?
FAR is floor area ratio. That is what जितना आपका जमीन है तो हाइट में कितना ऊपर जा सकते हैं, टोटल स्क्वायर फीट कितना कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा. इस FAR DDA ने अभी 200 का FAR किया है, which they have reduced. Earlier it was 400, now reduced 200. If you think they increase the FAR to previous level, which is 400, then cost of your apartment will reduce by 1/3. Because more number of apartments can be constructed out there in the same land. So okay, there will be EWS construction also. It will be separate one. Every project has to have 15% additional FAR, which is free of cost, but society or developer has to construct. Out of that, 50% EWS flats to be given to DDA at 2,000 rupees per square feet. The subsidized one. You are paying at 4,000, but you have to give it to DDA at 2,000 rupees. And FAR is also free. And 50% you can sell it to your community service personnel. Okay, next. This is what I was explaining our services. Simple consulting we are doing. We have international clients also. Then land procurement also. Then we are liaising with government agencies, registrar or tehsildar or SDM or DDA, different agencies for clearances. Then license procurement requires documentation, building planning, and all these maps and all drawings. And then development management consulting. This is the key thing which we have offered to you, that you have your members and we have our knowledge. Together we will deliver this project. So how this DMC functions. Next slide we say project solution team. It will be our team. You just sit and relax. Give us specification, we will deliver. When we discuss everything with you, this is how you want, and we construct and we manage everything. All resources will be our, and we deliver to you. What we don't do is the sales and marketing, which is the membership generation.
is not we are doing. Okay, so this is about the presentation. Thank you very much. And we have given you one pager. This is the simplest thing. Whatever I spoken, try to put it at one page. See, and we are free to discuss all the
of the flat, which is very important, and I look forward to your valuable suggestions, and I think here is the time where I should take this opportunity that maybe we can also be part of inviting members to be part of the committees where, because like for example ma'am's suggestions about the technicalities of the building, sir suggestions about trying to use as much as the environmental inputs, and then I think that's where we should all try to be as active as possible. So